Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we dive into everything personal development, mindset and productivity. Today we are talking about a very important topic. How do we stay positive when life throws some curveballs? We all know that life isn't always smooth sailing. But what if I tell you that there are proven techniques to keep your head high and up even when the going gets tough? Are you interested? Let's jump right in. Hello everyone, my name is Shramika. I'm an engineer by profession and a seeker by passion. First things first, bad days happen. Allow yourself to not feel great 100% of the time. We put so much pressure on us to be always happy, always beaming all the time that we forget we are human at our core. Remember the saying, it's just a bad day, not a bad life. Allow yourself to feel what you're feeling. These lows can make the highs feel even more rewarding. So let's stop pretending like we are robots programmed for some eternal happiness. Okay, now let's talk about an eternal topic in all my videos, practicing gratitude. Now if there's one thing that will seriously change your life, it is practicing gratitude. Just grab a journal, jot down 3 things that you're grateful for that day. It could be as small as your morning coffee or a nice chat with a friend or just some lovely weather. When you start focusing on what's good in life, even in tough times, it rewires your brain to think positively. Let's be honest, we are glued to our phones. We constantly bombarded with notifications of Instagram models living their best life. It's time for a digital detox. Log off, put down your phone, reconnect with your loved ones face to face, or just go out in nature and enjoy some calm and some chirping birds. You will feel refreshed. I promise. A digital detox can truly work wonders for your mental health. It makes you step back and see the real world for what it actually is, full of possibilities, memories, and adventure. Reconnect with people and activities that truly matter to you. Next one is to treat yourself. Hey, self-care is not selfish. When was the last time you did something just for yourself? Treating yourself builds your self-esteem and reminds you that you deserve good things. Make a list of small pleasures, whether it's reading a book, grabbing that favorite snack, or just watching a TV series, and sprinkle these moments throughout your week to keep your spirits high. For me, it's just soaking my feet in warm water for just 5 minutes before I prepare to sleep. This helps me calm my mind and also gives me a good night's sleep. You can't pour from an empty cup, right? Taking care of yourself is crucial for staying positive. Whether it's exercising, meditating, or just indulging in a spa day, self-care recharges your mental batteries. One great benefit of self-care routine is the positive impact it has on your relationships. When you take care of yourself, you become better equipped to take care of others, to show up for others. So go ahead and set aside some time for you. Make time to rekindle your hobbies. Remember that hobby that you loved but haven't touched in ages? It's time to bring that back. Hobbies give you a break from your daily stresses and allow you to reconnect with what you love. Whether it's playing an instrument, painting, or reading, hobbies are more than fun. They are therapeutic. With creating these videos, I get to stay in touch with my hobbies. I get to read a lot and also write a lot for these videos. 2 of my hobbies from childhood. Many people in my office ask how I do this. Well, I think everyone should take out time for their hobbies. They make us happy, fulfilled, and positive from inside. Music. Music has this magical ability to uplift our spirits. Whether it's that upbeat music to which we can dance to, or that calming music that can soothe our senses. Music is a fantastic mood booster. Create playlists for different moods, like study music, workout jams, or just some feel-good vibes. Spotify does that really well, by the way. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel by just playing them in the background as you're doing your regular day-to-day work. So recently I have discovered these YouTube channels which have hours of Hindustani classical instrumentals. And once I'm back from the office, I love having them play in the background as I'm continuing to do my regular work. I'm loving it and I urge you to try it as well. You know what they say, you're the average of the 5 people you spend most of your time with. If you're constantly around negative energy, it can bring you down. Instead, seek out positive, motivating people who uplift you and inspire you. Surround yourself with people who remind you that you can handle any challenge that's thrown your way. Their positivity will rub off on you. When life feels tough, it is easy to get stuck in that moment. But having a clear picture of what you want your future to look like can be incredibly motivating. Think about where you want to be in 5 years. What does your dream life look like? Write it down, set goals, and start working towards them. Your vision can keep you going through hard times. Life can get hectic, no doubt about that. With the sheer number of responsibilities, tasks, and a lot of things going on around us, it is tough to be present in the moment and to be mindful. But sometimes all you need to do is just take a deep breath and pause. Remind yourself that even the biggest challenges can be tackled one step at a time. I have these friends, seeing the sheer number of things in their lives gets me overwhelming. But I'm learning this concept of one day at a time from them, and it's truly eye-opening. So when things feel overwhelming, remember, one breath at a time. You got this. So there you have it, 10 powerful ways to stay positive even when life gets tough. Remember, positivity isn't about ignoring the bad. It's about choosing to see the good. If you enjoyed this video, then do hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such positive content. And let me know in the comment section below what else you would love to see from my channel. I love reading your comments. They help me know you a little better. Don't forget to share this video with someone you know who might need a little positivity boost today. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you again next week. Until then, happy learning and bye.